daho talaga ito at talagang nag-cause ng napakalaking gulo siguro sa Pilipinas at napakalaking issue, and we are one with the President and the Department of Justice na sa kagustuhan na malaman kung sino-sino yung mga involved dito, whether it be from the Bureau of Immigration or from another government agency or from the private sector. Gusto nating malaman yung buong storya, sino yung mga tumulong, kasi kami rin po alam natin, tingin natin may tumulong po dito doon sa illegal na pag-alis niya. Kasi imposible talaga na talagang sila lang bilang magkakapatid ang nag-asikaso ng lahat. Fact that yung sinasabi po kasi ni Sheila is that they took a boat from a private resort, 3 boats, isang small, isang big, isang small, from a resort. Parang napaka-difficult noon to arrange. Maghahanap ka ng resort, maghahanap ka ng mga bangka na masasakyan, may malaking fishing vessel allegedly. It's so difficult to arrange, and there are so many people that would be able to see something as big as this. So, tingin po natin, meron maaaring mga tao talaga na tumulong dito. May mga hindi tumingin, may mga taong who look the other way, I guess. And these are the things that we know, and I think we will be to know. Ngayon pong babalik na si Alice Guo, parang siya talaga ang pinaka malaking piece doon sa puzzle, sa storya po, sa telenovela po na ito, na napakaraming chapters at napakaraming pasabog bawat chapter. So we're waiting for the next update dito. Pagdating po ni Alice Guo, isa yan sa mga una, I believe, na itatanong sa kanyang Senado at ng Kongreso when she returns to the Philippines. And we're really interested in this.